What's up, everyone? It's your boy Terry, speaking from the garage shop satellite location. Yeah. All right. I get asked a lot of questions about, Terry, why do you always say that you like original GM parts or either original parts from, for when you build your cars? Well, let's take my Le Mans GTO project, for instance. Now I'm gonna need quarter panels for that car. I know that I'm not gonna go with NOS, that's new old stock, because I don't feel like spending like $2,500 per quarter panel. Now the aftermarket company that I like for as far as sheet metal is concerned is AMD. Now unfortunately, AMD does not make quarter panels for the 68, 69 Le Mans / GTO, Tempest, like that. And I'm gonna have to get some aftermarket company, and I already have it in my mind that I'm gonna spend a lot of time making those quarter panels straight, which is cool. But whenever I can get GM metal or either, stock metal, I would if it's one reasonably priced. Like, let's take these Fenders, for instance, okay? I found a guy who had a set of original GTO Fenders. They're a little rough where I'm gonna have to bang some dents out, but that's cool because I'd rather spend time banging on an original piece of metal, make that fit, than to make a brand new aftermarket piece fit. But let me show you something. Let me show you guys something. On the 69 GTO project, I scored a nice stock GTO hood with the factory tack. Now I'm gonna need to get the scoops. The scoops didn't come with the hood, so I went and bought some scoops. This one is an aftermarket, and this one is an original GM scoop. So let's check out and see how they fit. All right, let's go with the aftermarket scoop. All right, see, you can see right there, there's kind of like a gap. Now, there's a lot of wiggle room here. So now if I set it up in the back, right here where it's perfect, look at the big gap that I got there. And as you can see, it's closer here. And as you go along, it widens out. Now, if this is your only option, this will work fine. Okay, here comes the stock GM scoop that I picked up off of eBay for 40 bucks, 2 of them. All right, now look at that. Look how perfect that thing fits. And that's all the way around. It's flush right here. And just a better fitting piece. Now, again, there's nothing wrong with using a reproduction piece because you gotta do what you gotta, and in the end, when the car's all painted and looking beautiful, as long as it's straight, no one really cares. So let me know in the comments, do you use reproduction pieces? Do you trust them? What company do you use? And what company do you feel is the best? Or would you just rather just pop for that high bank NOS part, because you're gonna pay some money? Or do you just fix the pieces yourself and use stock? Let me know in the comments below because I'd love to know what you guys think. And as always, please be easy, and I'll catch you guys real soon because we're gonna be back on that 67 Chevelle project, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Always follow, always subscribe, and I will catch you guys real soon. Be easy.